Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to create a video with zero knowledge about video editing. We'll be using ChatGPT to help us. Let's begin.
Hello, you are a video expert. Can you give me a plan on how to start?
Okay, let's figure out what this framework is. Let's find out more about this brand. We have everything. Oh, wait. I have a script for everything, but not for my brand. Okay, let's create a video. Voila, we have it.
Good job.
You know, I have this feeling that we forgot something.
Okay, we have it. Let's create a video. Which software should I use? What should I do now?
Hey everybody, my name is...
Complete Adobe Premiere.
Video editing is one of the hardest...
Another sequence.
One eternity later.
If you have any questions about it.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Why didn't you clean the house? I asked you 12 hours ago.
Okay, that's it. Maybe I'll be back tomorrow.